Okay, this is a 1967 Olympia SM8. This one looks like it just came out of the box. It looks brand new. So we're going to take a look around. For those of you Olympia fans, you're probably salivating over it. The only thing I noticed about this one is, most of you who are familiar with Olympias, you know that turquoise is really common for the ends and the shift keys. This is like a Kelly green. I hadn't seen the Kelly green before, but I guess it does happen on the SM8s. And so there you have it. This one also has a cleaning kit. Here's the original cleaning kit. It looks like it wasn't even used. So it's got the brushes. Very nice. Okay. If you're not familiar with Olympias, I'm going to show you around before I get to the typing demo. All right. This is your carriage, and I just click that up to lock the carriage. When you're traveling, it's good to lock the carriage. That way the carriage doesn't come loose and break the drawband, which can happen. But when you're ready to release, this is going to be your carriage release, and it's not going to release right now because it's locked. But to unlock, pop that down. Now the carriage will release. You can hear the bell nice and strong. I'm going to lock this carriage because I'm going to show you the tabs. So you have a tab key, but no tab sets are up here. That's the difference between an SM8 and an SM9. Instead, they're in the back. And here's your tab keys right here. They're called tab keys, but all you do is you press and drag to where you want to put your tab. Okay. That's what those are. Put that back down. All right. Okay, here's your paper release. Got to release the carriage. Here's your line selector, because when you hit return, you get to advance 1, 2, or 3 lines. Margins, you squeeze and drag. Here is your paper holder, paper guide. Let's open this up. I really like the SM8s because some of the other SM models, you have to pop the whole top off, and that really annoys me. But this one is on hinges. So you just pull up. Hold on, why is it up? There we go. Pull up, and it's on hinges. Yay! I like that. Okay, it takes a universal ribbon. This is a black-red combo. It's held there with a spring-loaded arm, but you just pop them out when you're ready to change them. Remember that this ribbon should last you a long time. When you get to the end of the spool, it doesn't mean you got to change it. You just have to reverse directions, and you do that right here. Okay, and you can do it on the side too. That's how you change the direction of your ribbon. So just change it as many times as you need to use up all the ink in that ribbon and before you change it. This is called an escapement, and it's really clean. Everything in here is so clean. Okay, let me put this back down. You can hear it click down. Margin release is on the left side. Most of us are used to it being on the right. Backspace, there's no delete key. You just backspace and X over those mistakes, baby. That's all you do. Okay, let's go ahead and do some typing. How about that? Well, that loads so nice. No number 1, so you use your lowercase l. 1967. Olympia SM8. And let's just type away so you can see how this works. Boy, that looks so nice. And you'd think I'd start using tabs, but I just never do. Okay, so I have done some typing demos on this before. This typewriter likes a lighter touch, just so you know. So if the keys kind of stick on you or something like that, it could be that you have a heavy hand, and just try a lighter touch. All right, here, let's do the red. Oh wait, let's do our the quick quick round box. Jumps over the lazy. This would be a good machine for fast typists as well. Oops. Okay, let's see, this is the red ribbon. It looks really good. Whoops. Backspace, made a mistake there. Mouse. Okay. This works really, really well. The C was a little, well, it was a little stiff on me. But gosh, this is going to be fantastic for those of you who want to do a lot of writing. If you are an avid writer and you want to use a typewriter a lot, you need to get yourself an Olympia. These just are a cut above. They're amazing machines, and definitely worth the investment. You are going to fall in love with it. And it's kind of like the difference of driving a little Toyota Civic forever and ever, and then you start to drive a Lexus and you're like, whoa, can't go back to the Toyota anymore. So that's the difference between Olympia and some of the other brands that we're familiar with. Hope you liked this video. Check out the links in our description below. Please follow us and have a great day.